Hello students, welcome to Day to Day Math. Today, here's another case study for your reference. So this is a model question based on a round cake. A round cake of radius 14 cm and height 7 cm is baked. So I have given you the model of a cake here. 1/6 of the portion is cut from the cake to make it look like a Pac-Man from the top. I believe that you people must have seen this symbol where we play a game called Pac-Man. This is called as the Pac-Man logo. So this cake, after cutting 1/6 of the portion, can you see here 1/6? So this portion which is cut and take out is 1/6 of the cake. So how much remaining cake will be here? Out of 6 portion, 1 portion is being cut and taken away. So how much portion will be here? 5/6 of the portion is the actual cake that is remaining. Okay. After being cut, it is fully covered with fondant, leaving the base. So leaving the base, entire cake is covered with fondant to look like a nice creamy cake. Now, so this is the case study. This is regarding a round cake in which 1/6 of the portion is being cut. Now let's come to the first question of this case study. What is the angle made by the cake after it is cut? So we all know that the angle made by a full circle is 360 degree. 1/6 of the cake is being cut. So 5/6 is going to remain here. So we'll see what is the angle made by the cake after it is cut. So let me see what is this angle which is being cut. So this angle is nothing but it is 1/6 of 360. So 1/6 of 360 is going to become 60 degrees. So out of 360, this entire angle is 360. Out of 360, this 60 degree is being reduced. So that will give you what is the angle made by the cake after it is cut. So 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60 is the angle made after it is cut. So that's going to be 300. So option B is going to be the right answer. Then second question. What is the area covered by the cake after it is cut? So the area covered by the cake before it is cut is a circle. So 1/6 of the portion is being removed. So what will be remaining is 5/6 of the area of the circle. So 5/6 area of the circle. Because the cake looks like a circle. What is the area covered by the circle is when you keep that particular cake on a tray or on a plate, what will be the area covered? That is what is the meaning of area covered here. So after it is being cut, 1/6 is removed, 5/6 will remain. So what's the area of a circle formula? It is pi r squared. So 5/6 of pi r squared. So that's going to be 5/6 of 22/7 into what's the radius of the cake here? It's 14. So 14 into 14. Whatever could be reduced, 7 2s, 2 3s, 2 11s. So we are just going to evaluate 5 into 11 into 2 into 14 by 3, which when multiplied becomes 1540 by 3, which when divided by 3 becomes 513.3 centimeter square. It is square units because it is area. So out of this, which is the apt option? You can take option D. Then coming to subdivision 3. What is the volume of the cake piece removed from the cake? So 1/6 of the entire volume is being removed. So they are asking what's the removed part. So 1/6 volume of the cake. So volume means you have to imagine of some 3D shapes. When you look at this particular cake, it looks like a cylinder. So it is actually 1/6 volume of the cylinder. So that's going to be 1/6. What's the volume of the cylinder formula? It is pi r squared h. So that's going to be 1/6, 22/7. My radius is 14 for this cake and the height of this cake is 7. So you cancel 7 and 7 from here. The same thing, 2 3s and 2 11. So we are going to evaluate 11 into 14 divided by 3. So that's going to be 2156 divided by 3, which gets to be 718.7. So option B will be the right answer for this. So the units of this will be centimeter cube since it is volume. Coming to subdivision 4. If the piece of the cake initially cut from the full cake costs rupees 150, what is the cost of the Pac-Man cake? So we all know that from one full circle, just see here, from the full circle, one piece is being removed. This is 1/6. So if I am going to buy this particular piece of cake, it is going to cost me 150 rupees. So they are asking here, for this remaining portion, what will be the cost? So I am going to do this by inverse variation. So see here, how am I going to do? So this is going to be the part of the cake. This is going to be the cost. I think you all remember what is inverse variation. You must have learnt about this concept right from standard 6. So 1/6 of the portion costs me 150 rupees. So what is for the 5/6 of the portion? I'll take it to be as 6. Inverse variation is I have to multiply in this way. So it will be 1/6 times of x is 5/6 times of 150. Take away 6 and 6. So x is going to be 5 times of 150, which is nothing but 750 rupees. X is nothing but the cost of this remaining cake. So the cost of this remaining cake is going to be 750 rupees. So this is going to be the right option. I have taken only 4 subdivisions from this case study. So I hope you can understand all the 4 subdivisions. This particular question can be taken both for class 9 and for class 10. You have seen the concept of inverse variation and you have seen the concept of area of the circle, volume of the cake. So I have covered here 3 topics. One is numericals, another 2 will be areas related to circles, and volume and surface area I have covered. Hope you could understand the particular model question. I'll meet you tomorrow with another interesting question. Thank you so much.